Hi, I'm Goldberg, Data and Condition Monitoring Specialist, and today we're going to be unboxing our UrbanIO sensors. Before we get started, UrbanIO is our low-cost asset monitoring solution designed for your Tier 2 and Tier 3 assets. It's made up of a gateway and also our 17 different remote sensors, all connected through the LoRa network. Let's take a look at the gateway. A single gateway can connect up to 300 sensors with an indoor range of 1,500 feet and an outdoor range of up to 3 miles. Again, the sensors and gateway are connected through a LoRa network, and the gateway is connected to our Urban platforms via cellular. This keeps everything off your plan's network entirely. Now let's look at the sensors. We currently have 17 different types of sensors ranging from vibration and temperature all the way to differential pressure, current, and process loop. Quick look at our vibration sensor. Super small form factor. It's magnetic on the back, and if you need extra reinforcement, we always have brackets. Our vibration sensor is triaxial, so you'll get axial, horizontal, and vertical vibration, and from there you can more diagnose what's going on with your equipment, whether that be a pump, fan, or motor. Here we have our temperature sensor. This is going to be our temperature probe to see the surface temperature of your equipment and also to see if your bearings are overheating. And our last example, we have our process loop sensor. This is going to be able to take in any sensors at your facility that's giving a 4 to 20 milliamp output. And that wraps up our UrbanIO unboxing. We know that there are a lot of choices for asset monitoring, but UrbanIO has quickly become an industry favorite due to its wide variety of sensors as well as low cost price point. If you have any questions regarding UrbanIO or want some more information, please reach out to me directly. All my contact information can be found below.